a bit of a mix and match. Had some boys playing for the Gymgym as well, but just good that they all gave it a go for the other team, and it's had a bit of fun at the end of the day.
This is a away fixture, of course. You played in Cavs Park early May, I think it was. Do you think this will happen every year now? Do you hope we'll?
That was the plan. We thought we'd bring them back to the well-known Coombe Dingle.
All the stands of all the fans around.
Exactly. So that then hopefully we'd get the chance to go and play there again, and it could be a little Bristol-Cardiff rivalry thing.
Yeah, chwech cais staf, hapus?
So yeah, capus iawn pawb boys gyd wedi. Fel tîm gyda'i gilydd. A wedyn shift really, hapus.
Good. A gynnwch chi politics, di mercher. Curo nhw, a beth ydych chi'n meddwl amdan y tymor yn gyffredinol? Ydych chi'n ennill am y top?
Ynddo, dwi'n meddwl, oedden ni'n anlwcus ofnadwy tymor dwytha, fel ti'n gwybod am, i beidio curo Cabs yn y semi-final, a dwi'n meddwl sy'n wedi curo gêm na sy'n tebyg beth i gallu gymryd. Ond na, tymor un, gyda ni colli dipyn o chwaraewyr profiadol sydd wedi bod yna dipyn o flynyddoedd, ond da ni wedi cael lot o ogyn newydd da, dod fewn fatha Gethin Owen o heddiw, a Iolo James o Cais, am gyda'r ifanc hefyd, adra sydd ddim yn yma heddiw. Na, bendant yn elyn top tymor yma.
Reit, dwi gyda Butch, Rhys Butch. Lle mae'r nickname yma'n dod o?
Pan fi'n ifanc oedd dy ci fi gyda Butchers, a wedyn pas o lawr wedyn ni, a wedyn fi cael gael Butch.
Diddorol. Gen ti cwpl o nicknames oes? Oes gen ti rai eraill?
Butch Cawl, Pedro Bees, Ti'n siŵr beth ar?
Man of the match heddiw, ti'n hapus?
Dwi'n really hapus amdano fe, cos oedd fi'n convinced oedd Aaron yn Dawns Gwelyn mynd i cael, so fi'n really hapus amdano fe. Ond, take every game as it comes.
Hapus iawn. Ag, wel, Cais hefyd i fynd ar top yna?
Cais cyntaf fi, a wedyn dechrau'r season yn good, hopefully fod ni'n cario ymlaen nawr trwy blwyddyn, a wedyn just ennill y league, hopefully.